What's the meaning of asterisk? Asterisk. Asterisk.
Asterisk. Asterisk. An asterisk is a typographic symbol consisting of a small star used to indicate a footnote or to serve as a reference mark. It can also be used to denote multiplication in mathematics or to indicate omitted letters or words in a text. In popular culture, the term asterisk is often associated with denoting a record or achievement that has been marked with a footnote or qualifier due to controversy or suspicion of illegitimacy. Overall, the asterisk serves as a tool for clarification and emphasis in various fields and contexts.